Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you add photos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, you open your Play Store or App Store because we need to get something out of the way. So we just go ahead and search for Snapchat here and make sure it's updated for everything to run smoothly. After that, you can quit this store. And now let's open Snapchat, of course. Make sure you're logged into your account. And then first, let's go ahead and see how to set up a My Eyes Only on Snapchat. You need to swipe up from here. You'll find some categories, home, camera roll. You need to swipe right until you find My Eyes Only. Go ahead and tap on it. Since by default, when you create a Snapchat account, this won't be set up by default. You need to go ahead and set it up yourself. So tap on setup here. And you need to be careful because you need to set up a passkey or a passphrase if you choose the option in the bottom. And then from here, if you forget whatever password you created, you won't be able to get your photos that you have put here in My Eyes Only. So be careful, choose a password or a passphrase that you're sure you remember. And then of course, you're gonna need to confirm it again. Now once you agree to that condition in the bottom in red, and then tap on continue. Again, if you forget the password that you have created, it's bad news. From there you won't be able to get your photos back unless you remember your password, of course. So from there, tap on finish and you should be good to go. You just type in your new password or your password from here, just like that. Now you're in your My Eyes Only. I'll show you now how to add photos here. So let's just quit from here and go back to the camera. Let's say you want to take a picture and add it there. You take the picture, you tap on save in the bottom left corner, it goes to your memories. So you go ahead and open your memories by swiping up and then choosing the picture. You tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then choose hide snap in My Eyes Only or move to My Eyes Only. And just like that, once you go to My Eyes Only and then enter your passkey or password, of course you enter it correctly and you find it right here. And that's how you create and also add photos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and of course thank you so much for watching.